Oh hey everybody, we're back. It's really nice outside, so that means sangria. But not any sangria. We gotta make frozen sangria because it's an adult Slurpee. It's important. So we're gonna go over this. It's very easy. A lot of people mess it up. Don't be that person. First thing we're gonna start out with, you gotta do this early. Alright, we have an Italian red wine, and then we've got a sweet white wine. You wanna freeze it first, okay? You don't wanna add ice into this because then it melts and then you're just stuck with ice, and then you're just drinking wine. It's stupid. Freeze your wine, because it works, and then when you blend it up with frozen fruit, it becomes like this thing that's amazing, all right? Don't put ice. It's dumb. It waters it down. Stupid. For the red wine, I'll show you. I'm using $11 Spanish red wine. This Campo, that stuff. Next up, we got about a cup of frozen berries for that red wine one. We're gonna make, it's gonna be a mix. It's gonna be a mix of sangrias. About a cup of that, all right? You're gonna use a quarter cup of brandy or cognac or rum, whiskey, doesn't matter. Just more alcohol, that's all it is. And then we got a half cup of orange juice. So first things first, we're gonna plop all these. All right, banging. Throw those in there, sweet. The orange juice. I'm gonna add the, what is this stuff called? Brandy in there after. Guess what, I'm gonna add it in there now because it's acting like a fool. There we go. All right. That seems to be the best consistency ever. Get off. Just get off. Oh, that's sweet. All right, take a look at the consistency. See what I'm saying? Now we're talking frozen sangria time. This is gonna be your more dry tasting red wine. It's not that dry, but it is drier than what we're about to do, which complements the sweetness of the next one. And you're gonna wanna do this fast if you only have one blender like me. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh. Let's go. All right, time to quickly rinse this out. We're on a time limit. Next up, we got our sweet white wine, frozen. Come on. All right, I've made a mess. Right here we got frozen peaches and frozen mangoes, about a cup. Throw that in there. Oh my God, we're gonna change it up. Instead of brandy, I'm gonna use peach schnapps, because I feel like it's gonna be good. I would use less than a quarter cup because this stuff is kind of sweet. It seems good enough for me. And we're gonna do the same amount of OJ. Boom. About a half a cup. Get out of here with your purpleness. Get right out of town. All right, let's see if we can do this one. And all right, that seems to be good enough. Oh, there we go. Sweet. Check it out. It's perfect. It's perfect consistency. All right, we're spilling water. It doesn't matter. Tastes so good. Whatever. It looks lit. Oh my gosh. And that's it right there. That's how you make a frozen sangria. Mixed flavor. We're talking peach mango. We're talking, I guess, original berry, whatever you want to call it. That's it. We need some straws. Oh, heck yeah. All right. There we go. Come on. All right, I have to stop so I can do a thumbnail. So give me a second. All right, now that we just did that, it's time to taste test these bad boys. That berry, it's not too sweet. You can taste the wine. It's really nice. That's my review of the red. Let's try the sweet one. Oh man, it's sweeter, but it's not too sweet. You can taste the peach tree. You can taste the mango. You can taste whatever white wine I used. I think it was Skipjack sweet, what? This was the sweet wine we used. Skipjack, sweet white. It's very sweet, but it's delicious. And it's 10% alcohol, so that's pretty cool. And these mixed together, hold on, let's get a double. We're gonna go. So good. I'm telling you, adult Slurpee, this is what it is. This is summertime right here. Spring, summer, deliciousness. We got some the other weekend and they were good, but they used ice, so it wasn't... We ended up with a cup full of ice, basically, by the end, because it just melts, and then you're just drinking cold wine, which is fine, but this is way cooler. So do it this way, and you'll be happy. Do it. Film it. You don't have to film it. Just tell me about it in the comments down below. Also, if you wouldn't mind subscribing to my channel. If you're watching this, subscribe, like, comment, share, do all those cool things. I'm trying to grow, be more of a YouTuber. So thank you. I appreciate you guys watching this video. See you guys in the next one. I'm gonna finish this. She gets this one because she's such a great camera woman. Goodbye.